distinguished guests, beloved parents and friends who are assembled here to join us in the celebration that is Josh of Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF, I extend my warm welcome as being the head of this prestigious institution. At the outset, let me take the honor to welcome and thank Shri K.L. Lamba on behalf of this august assembly for graciously consenting to be the chief guest of Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF's annual day function. Mr. Lamba is a man quite in demeanor and unostentatious in behavior. To our very own mentor, Shri P. Devakumar, the guest of honor, I extend my heartfelt welcome. Shri Devakumar, a dynamic leader with a vision of Team Ahmedabad, stands unparalleled for his deep wisdom and vast knowledge, incomparable for his versatility and passion, a man of action. I also welcome all the invited dignitaries, parents and well-wishers. Your gracious presence, sirs and madams, have enriched this occasion and boosted our morale. Vision without action is a dream. Action without vision is simply passing the time. Action with vision is making a positive difference. It gives me immense pleasure to present the annual report 2012 of KVCRPF. To give you a brief history, Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF was established in the year 1981, comprising of classes 1 to 5. Over this long arduous journey of 31 years, the Vidyalaya grew and evolved. Today it boasts of 820 students with 2 sections from classes 1 to 10 and single section in class 11 and 12 science. Our first batch of class 12 will appear for the boards in March 2013. The Vidyalaya is spread over 8.01 acres of land. It began with a single section building, but with the unforeseen growing demand, the Vidyalaya has outgrown its inception and we have already initiated the proposal for an additional building with 17 rooms. Renovation of the stage, computer lab and office has been completed, and the next stage is renovation of science labs and washrooms, the process of which has already been begun. Today, the Vidyalaya is blessed with a dedicated team of 47 staff members, both regular and contractual. Here at KVCRPF, we believe that creativity, innovation and resourcefulness are the signs of joyful and good teaching learning experience. Thus making optimum use of every resource at our disposal, we dare to dream a little bigger, go a bit further than we have ever gone before, and not mediocrity. About the admissions, there was a fairly good demand for admissions this year also, with 265 students registering for class 1 and other classes. The fresh admissions were 170 students. But I assure you, since we are expanding our vision and envisioning success at all counts and firmly believing that our demands are met usually at our level of expectancy, will grow in numbers, though quality education is our prime goal. We believe every child born into this world is a new thought of God, an ever fresh and radiant possibility. Academic achievements. To highlight our academic achievements, I submit that the Vidyalaya result for classes 1 to 10 was 100% with 0 failure, and in 11, 95.65%. In class 10, 4 students got 9.8 CGPA. This was possible because we strive hard to make possible what NCF points out that when we assign an aggregate failure to children, we not only stigmatize them, we also perpetuate a cycle of waste in our education system, thus losing precious resources invested in the child's upbringing. Thus, lot of remedial classes, study camps and individual attentions were undertaken. We know education which will help in catapulting the nation towards excellence. In the external exams, Master Ahik of class 9 secured 3rd rank at the state level and 113th rank at the international level in 2nd round of 11th National Cyber Olympiad. 20 students participated in the 12th of Maths Olympiad. 9 students participated in the logo making competition organized by Roshni Prachodya Society. Kritika Mishra of class 12th Science and Rashmi of class 10th secured 1st and 2nd positions respectively in the English and Hindi debate competition organized by Uday Bal Singh Ji Regional Institute of Co-op Management, Gandhinagar in April 2012. Social Science Exhibition. In the cluster level social science exhibition, we secured first position in group dance and second position in group song. At regional level, our school again secured first position. Albums in charge were selected for the regionals. Total 11 students were selected to participate. Strength, virtue, the ability to forget oneself in working towards great aims. Hence here, the Scout and Guide movement is a commendable one, with total 137 students registering for Cubs, Bulbul, Scouts and Guides. 5 Scouts participated in pre-Rajya Puraskar testing camp held at KV Sabarmati. 5 Scouts participated in Rajya Puraskar camp held at KV Jodhpur. 6 Scouts participated in Tritiya Sopan testing camp held at KV AFS Bhuj. 3 Guides participated in Tritiya Sopan testing camp held at KV Rajkot. There were 25 students who cleared the Pravesh and 7 students who cleared Tritiya Sopan this year. Not only that, a trekking trip was organized and even a scout and guide rally on issues like eradication of illiteracy, save girl child, save water, conserve energy was taken out in the nearby Lekhavada village. The flag day was celebrated with much zeal, with erecting of tents to give a taste of outdoor life and preparing different gadgets and first aid activities. Games and sports. Sports and games help students in many ways. It fosters values such as good health, endurance, courage, confidence, discipline, and team spirit, etc. Opportunities innumerable have been provided to the students to test their mettle via inter-house competitions, cluster level, regional level, and national level sports meet. Our Vidyalaya was the venue for cluster and regional athletic and volleyball meet. 136 players participated at the cluster sports meet and 126 for the regional meet. Finally, 23 players qualified to compete at the national level in different events like basketball, volleyball, kho-kho, athletics, throwball, handball, swimming, taekwondo, skating and chess. Library. The best cosmetic in the world is an active mind that always craves to discover new facts. I would like to put before you the fact that our library is completely digitalized with barcoding. We have a rich library with internet facility having more than 8,500 books. To develop the reading habits, today is Bain. We have the Readers Club wherein different activities like quiz, book review, group reading, etc. are encouraged and the best readers awarded. The problem is not in identifying winners. It is in making winners out of ordinary people. Thus to give a platform to the innate talents of the students. All of them are segregated into 4 houses and inter-house, inter-class competitions are held. Important days and festivals are celebrated to inculcate feelings of universal brotherhood and ethical values. Common minimum program. When we teach a child to read, our primary aim is not to enable it to decipher a bill or receipt, but to kindle its imagination and open for it the avenues of knowledge. In the primary section under CMP, a number of innovations undertaken like Mother's Day, theme-based community lunch, besides sports meet, cultural meet, Bal Divas and Grandparent Day celebration. In the cluster level sports meet of CMP, our students stood second in kho-kho, boys, second in 3-legged race, first and third in skipping, and first and third positions in 80-meter race. In the cultural meet, our students got first position in Rangoli and second in group dance. Labs. The computer lab is fully updated with the latest technology, 1 Globus visualizer, 1 LCD projector, and 39 computers. Student computer ratio is 23:1. Broadband internet connection is available in the lab, and the students avail the benefit. Computer-aided teaching, e-content, use of LCD for PowerPoint presentation, and educational films add to effective teaching learning process. In-service course and training and awards of staff. To upgrade our teachers with the latest in education, they were sent to the different in-service courses and workshops. Some have won recognition at different levels. 2 teachers, Mrs. Shalini Paliwal, PGT Bio, Biology, and Mrs. Sunita Verma, PRT, of the Vidyalaya have been shortlisted by KVS Regional Office Ahmedabad for the best science teaching practices in the Vidyalaya. They'll be getting a cash award or rupees 5,000, a merit certificate and a memento. Ms. Bhakti Joshi, TGT Maths, won the first position for her essay on maths phobia, causes and remedies, both at cluster and regional level, national and national mathematics year 2012 competitions. The result of the national is awaited. Finally, backed with the blessings of eminent personalities like Shri K. L. Lamba sir, and also the coveted guidance of Sir P. Devakumar, our Deputy Commissioner, I am confident that the Vidyalaya will march ahead and chart new trails. By planning purposefully, preparing prayerfully, and proceeding persistently, we will dare where others have not even dreamed of. Though it's only 1 year and 4 months since I took over the reins of this Vidyalaya, but I am confident that with the unflinching cooperation of my staff, parents and well-wishers of this Vidyalaya, we will build a strong and dynamic student community, students with a strong sense of mission and ambition, a sense of personal worth, sense of responsibility, and a spirit of inner discipline to overcome every challenge, and who will be the proud nation builders. Here at KVCRPF, we thrive on action and relish change. We not only see the vision, we live and breathe it. We share our similarities, celebrate our differences. We sow thoughts and leave a legacy and dwell in possibilities. We believe that the best is yet to come. We keep on pressing forward, stay passionate about things and people, keep dreaming, hoping and planning for new projects. We believe in ourselves and also in the God who believes in us, for only then no mountain will be too high and no valley too low. Jai Hind.
Prizes bestow recognition of individuals for their untiring march towards excellence. They also serve as means to bring such people into limelight for others to learn from them and to emulate the example set.
Thank you, ma'am. Now to take away the prizes, the first to come on the stage is Kumari Sonal Rajat from class 4th A. She stood fast in the drawing competition, greeting card making competition, English poem recitation competition. Second A, Chandar Kumari, she stood first in the drawing competition and second in English calligraphy, Hindi Sulek and Hindi poem recitation competition. Srishti Bora from 2nd A stood at the first position in English calligraphy competition, English storytelling and Hindi poem recitation competition. Anisha Pramanik from 2nd A stood at the first position in Hindi storytelling competition, fancy dress competition and second in drawing competition. Anushri Malik from 4th B stood at the first position in Hindi poem recitation competition, second in greeting card making competition and English storytelling competition. From 3rd B, Aryan Shah stood at the second position in greeting card making competition, English storytelling and English poem recitation competition. Manish Chaudhary stood at the first position in English calligraphy and in the storytelling competition. Fourth B, Aarti Chaudhary stood at the first position in Hindi Sulek and second in Hindi storytelling competition. Somnath Lainka from 1st B stood at the first position in drawing competition and solo song competition. Somnath. Third A, Jai Gupta stood at the first position greeting card making and drawing competition, Deepshika Kumari. First, we Gaurav Sharma stood at the first position in greeting card and drawing competition. Fourth day, Anshika Sharma stood at the second position in greeting card making and fancy dress competition. First, we Kushi Upadhyay stood at the second position in English storytelling competition and English poem recitation competition. Kajal Singh from 4th B stood at the first position in fancy dress competition. Third B Shubham Sandilya stood at the first position in English calligraphy. Second day Ravipal Singh stood at the first position in greeting card making competition. Second day Arshad stood at the first position in greeting card making competition. Second B, Ayush Shukla stood at the first position in English poem recitation. Ayush Shukla. Second B, Swapnil Chitke stood at the first position in solo song competition. Swapnil Chitke. Fourth day, Vinayak Singh stood at the first position in solo song competition. Second B, Ritesh Malik stood at the first position in Hindi Sulay. Now coming to the group competition. In Rangoli competition, Adra and group stood at the first position. In English skit, Riya Roy group stood at the first position. And in group song, Saima and group stood at the first position. Now the house which scored the highest in the co-curricular activities get the running shift. From the primary section, Ramanujan House stood at the first position. I request the house master Mrs. Pallavi Parmar and Mrs. Vaishali Vegra to come with their house captains to take away the shields. Thank you, sir. You have boosted the spirit. KL Lamba, sir, to please come on the stage to give away the prizes from secondary section. Now I hand over mic to Mrs. Shalini Palivasini, CCA coordinator.
Thank you, Vaishali madam. Now we will invite the children who secured positions in various co-curricular activities held throughout the year. In the secondary section, the first person to come will be Rashmi Bharti, who stood first in English poem recitation, English debate competition and solo song competition. Rashmi of class 10th of Ramanujan House. Now I call Anjali Pokariyar, who stood first in Hindi debate and English essay writing competition. Anjali of class 9A of Ramanujan House. Ahid Pramanik secured first position in English poem recitation and English debate competition. Ahid of class 9A of Sarojini House. Bamin John Banin stood first in solo song competition and English essay writing competition. Bamin of class 9A of Ambedkar House. Rashmi Thomas secured first position in English essay writing competition and second in English poem recitation. Roshni of class 10A of Ambedkar House. Akshan Ranjan stood first in English poem recitation. Akshan of class 7A of Sarojini House. Archana stood first in Hindi debate competition. Archana of class 11 of Teresa House. Tanuja Sanwa secured first position in solo song competition. Tanuja of class 5B of Ramanujan House. Priyanka Tripathi stood first in English essay writing competition. Priyanka of class 5B of Sarojini House. In the group competitions in Rangoli, in junior group,